So this question is a modelling question with an exponential function. We can see it's an exponential function because we have the power of t there. So this one has p is the population and t is the time in months. So we're trying to find, first of all, the value of a. Now we are told that if the population should double every 2 months and that initially there are 24 guinea pigs. So initially means when time is 0. So that means that there are 24 for the population. And that's the p, which is equal to a times 2 to the power of 0, because it's when time is 0, the initially. So that means that 24 is equal to a, since 2 to the power of 0 is 1, so a is 24. So that's my first value. So I could now start to write down my new equation. So it's 24 times 2 k to the power, to the power of kt. So for part B, we're trying to find the value of k. Well, since we know that it doubles every 2 months, then that means that by the time t is 2, the population will be 48, double the 24 that we had originally. So let's substitute that in. So t is equal to 2, p is equal to 48. So 48 is equal to 24, now that I know that's 24, times 2 to the power of k times 2. So 48 equals 24 times 2 to the power of 2k. So I need to rearrange that. So if I divide by 24, 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2k. And then I'm trying to find my value of k. So to solve that, I'm going to go to my computer or to my laptop, and I'm going to type in 2 graphs. On one side we want 2, and on the other side we want 2 to the power of 2x. And we're going to graph what this looks like, and we're looking for that solution. So second function, trace, intersection, and it's 0.5. So k is equal to 0.5 or 1/2, however you want to write that one. So we could now fill that in on our equation. So instead of kt, we now know that that's 0.5t. And we're now looking for the last part, which is to estimate the number of guinea pigs in the population after 11 months. So for this one, if it's after 11 months, so part C, then we're interested in when t is 11. So the population is equal to a, which is 24, times 2 to the power of k, which we now know is 1/2, times t, which is 11 for this problem. So we can now just type this into our calculator. So 24 times 2 to the power of 1/2 times 11, which I could write as a fraction, 11 over 2, or you can write it as 1/2 times 11. And that gives me 1086. So my estimation is that the population will reach 1086.